Do you know that you only need to sell one product to make $100,000? Especially, it's 2024 and you can do almost everything with just your computer. In this video, I'm going to reveal the easiest online business model that can help you achieve your $100,000 goal. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to pivot your current strategy, these steps are designed to be straightforward and effective. I've spent years of perfecting this approach, and I'm going to walk you through the exact process, from the business model to marketing and finances. Stay tuned until the end because I'll have a very detailed guideline on how you can make your first $100 online, so make sure not to miss a single one. Understanding the 3 S's. First up, to earn money consistently, you need to focus on business models that check off the 3 S's. Solves a big problem, scalable, and simple. Number 1. Solving a big problem. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you can make. Think about it. If you are selling something that fixes a small issue, don't expect to get rich from it. For instance, if your product is unique cat paintings, they might be valuable to you but not to a huge market. Instead, look for problems that affect a lot of people and are worth a significant amount of money to fix. Business models that sound too good to be true, like online surveys or meme coins, usually are. They solve tiny problems and thus generate tiny profits. Imagine you have a headache and need relief fast. You could take aspirins, which costs a few cents and gets the job done. But what if you needed a solution to a migraine that leaves you incapacitated for days? You'd be willing to pay a lot more for a specialized medication. This is how you need to think about the problems your business solves. If it's a big issue for a lot of people, they're willing to pay more for the solution. Number 2. Scalable business models. Scalability means your business can grow without needing much more effort or resources. Digital products are a perfect example because you create them once and can sell them endlessly. On the other hand, agencies that rely on trading time for money aren't as scalable because you only have so many hours in a day. Even though agencies can make good money, they're not as simple to scale up compared to selling digital products or other scalable models. Consider the difference between selling handcrafted jewelry and selling an online course on jewelry making. With handcrafted jewelry, you need to spend time making each piece, which limits how many you can sell. But with an online course, you create the content once and sell it repeatedly without extra work. The potential for growth is much higher with the course. Number 3. Simplicity. We're talking about the easiest online business to start, right? While some businesses like running an agency or a YouTube channel can make a ton of money, they require a lot of skills to do well. If you don't have those skills, it's better to stick with simpler models that meet all the 3 S's, especially within e-commerce. This includes things like digital products, print on demand, drop shipping, private labeling, and so on. These are generally easier to start and grow while offering high returns. Imagine you're new to online business. Starting something simple like drop shipping can be a great way to learn the ropes without overwhelming yourself. As you gain experience, you can explore more complex models if you want, but starting simple helps avoid burnout and keeps things manageable. Step 1. Choosing your product. Now, let's pick a business model to create together. Let's just go with the classic drop shipping. To keep it simple, I'll focus on one product, a water bottle brush. Imagine how annoying it is to clean your water bottle with all its nooks and crannies. This brush looks like it could solve that problem easily. We'll call it the 4-in-1 bottle brush cleaner. Imagine waking up in the morning, grabbing your water bottle, and realizing it's filthy. You spend several minutes trying to clean it with regular brushes, but the nooks and crannies are impossible to reach. That's where a 4-in-1 bottle brush cleaner comes in. It's designed to get into every corner of your water bottle, making cleaning quick and easy. If you face this problem, chances are many others do too, making this a potentially great product to sell. Step 2. Setting up the platform. Next, you need a platform to sell on. There are several options: marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy, and your own website. Marketplaces are great because they drive traffic to your products, but they come with fees and competition. But having your own website gives you full control over your branding and customer data, which is crucial for long-term success. First, you need a domain name. I'll go with a .store domain because it's clear and memorable. Surprisingly, domains ending in .store can help you sell more, get more clicks, and cost less in ad conversions. Plus, they often come with exclusive discounts on essential e-commerce tools. Big names like Mr. Beast and Cristiano Ronaldo use .store domains for a reason. Imagine shopping online and seeing 2 websites. One is bestbottlecleaner.com and the other is bottlebrushcleaner.store. Which one would you trust more to actually sell cleaning products? The .store domain instantly tells customers that you're a business, which can increase trust and click-through rates. Step 3. Building the website. With a domain secured, it's time to build the website. The easiest way to do this is with an e-commerce website builder like Shopify, Wix, or Squarespace. Shopify is the most popular but also the most expensive. Choose the one that suits your needs and budget. When building your site, use templates and find inspiration from other websites you like. Remember, creating a website is an ongoing task. You'll keep improving it as your business grows. Your website is crucial for branding, so make sure it represents your product well. Imagine walking into a store with a messy, disorganized layout. You'd probably leave quickly, right? The same goes for your website. A clean, user-friendly design will keep customers around longer and make them more likely to buy. Also, branding is everything in e-commerce. It's your business identity, your name, logo, messaging, and overall vibe. A strong brand sets you apart from competitors. To build a solid brand, you need to know your target market inside and out. For the bottle brush cleaner, I'll target adults between 25 years old to 40 years old who value utility and convenience. My website will showcase the product's practicality and efficiency, appealing to this specific audience. With a branding set, it's time to move on to promotion. Just imagine walking down the cereal aisle in a grocery store. Hundreds of options are vying for your attention. What makes you pick one box over another? Branding. Your brand should be just as compelling, making customers choose your products over others. Step 4. Promotion. Promotion is key. You can have the best product, but if no one knows about it, you won't make any money. There are two main ways to promote: paid promotion and organic promotion. Number 1. Paid promotion includes social media ads, Google ads, and influencer marketing. These methods are quick and effective but cost money. So for beginners, it's best to start with organic promotions to learn the ropes before diving into paid ads. Number 2. Organic promotion involves regular social media posts, blog posts, SEO, and email newsletters. These methods are free but usually convert customers more slowly. For bottle brush cleaner, you can start with a TikTok and IG account. You just need to link your website in the bio and post fun videos of the brush in action. Once you find a video that resonates with viewers, turn it into a paid ad to maximize its reach. So, imagine you're scrolling through TikTok and see a video of a product solving a problem you have. You're intrigued and click the link to learn more. That's the power of organic promotion. It engages people where they already are. Step 5. Profit versus revenue. A common mistake is focusing on revenue instead of profit. Making $100 in revenue, but only having $10,000 in profit isn't impressive. You need a profit-first mentality. This means keeping expenses low and designing your business to maximize profits. The bottle brush cleaner is a great example. Its wholesale price is $2 and it can be sold for $10, giving a profit of $8 per unit. To make $100 in profit, you need to sell about 12,500 units, which is a lot. By choosing a product with higher profit margins, like a car brush cleaner, you can make $100 per unit and only need to sell 1,000 units to hit that profit goal. Imagine you're running a marathon. Would you rather carry a heavy backpack or a light one? Focusing on high profit items is like shedding unnecessary weight. It makes reaching your goals much easier. Step 6. Trial and error. Finally, be prepared with trial and error. You won't get everything right on your first try. You might need to switch products, pivot business models, or optimize profitability along the way. The key is not to give up. Keep tweaking your business until you hit that $100 profit mark. It's like playing a video game. You don't beat the final boss on your first try. You'll learn, adapt, and try again until you succeed. Running a business is similar. Stay persistent and keep improving. If you really love to start doing this, these are not enough. You'll need to know where to buy cheap products without getting scammed. Comment down below if you want me to create a video on the best and legit websites for your e-commerce store. I'll wait for your comments. See ya!